Hello guys, this is my first tutorial video, so support please. Let's start the video without wasting time. Today we are learning top 3 trending transition in Capcut. So our first transition is zoom and transition. Arrange your video like this. Add keyframes like this. Then go to transform and zoom 25% to 30%. Apply this to all clips. Then add Graph Flow 2 to all clips. Here is the final result. Our second transition is shake transition. Arrange your clips like this. Then add shake effect. Arrange the length like this. Click on Object and select all videos. Add 2 keyframes like this. Adjust the settings like me. Duplicate the shake effect. Then add oblique blur effect. Arrange the length like this. Add keyframes and adjust the settings like me. Now apply to all clips. Here is the final result. Our last transition is cutout transition. Arrange your clips like this. Then freeze the second clip. Overlay the freeze clip. Then adjust the freeze clip like me. Split the to 0.5 seconds. Add 2 keyframes at the starting and ending point. And then remove the background of the clip. Go to transform and adjust the Y-axis to 1000. And then add Graph Cubic out. Now apply to all clips. Then add unfold effect. Now apply to all clips. Here is the final result. I hope this video will help you to improve your editing. Thanks for watching.